Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Veronica Ayson, and today I did another Valentine's look. If you guys don't like the red lips, there's another lip color you could choose from, or you don't have to wear anything at all. Just wear a lip balm with your natural, wear your natural lip color. And if you guys want to know how to get this makeup look, then keep on watching. If you haven't, subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up, and follow me on all of my social medias: Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
First thing first, to make your eyeshadow last all night and all day from the sweats and whatnot, you want to prime your eyelids, and I'm using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. As a secondary primer, put some concealer from your lid to the brow bone, and not only will it cover up the veins, it'll also make your eyeshadow pop even more. To set the concealer, use a skin color or bone color all over your eyelids to make blending much easier. Picking up a fluffy brush and using a light pink or mauve color, you want to put it on your crease and then slowly blend it out. If you want to know what I used in this video, I'll put everything down in the description. With a smaller fluffy brush, we're going to go straight to the hot pink, honey. And you want to start very, very low and with little product. You don't want to start with a lot because it's going to be harder to blend out. If you got it on your eyelid, it's fine. We're going to cover up with some white eyeshadow. To blend out the hot pink even more, I'm grabbing the bigger fluffy brush and a little bit, just a tad, of the mauve color to have a smoother transition. And with some white eyeshadow, I'm putting it all over my lids and slowly winging it out. Okay, it was hard for me to say winging. Speaking of winging, I'm using a black eyeshadow and winging it out. And now watching back at the video, I realized that I was a bit ballsy on the wing because I haven't done a wing in a long time. You could either make your wing thicker or thinner. Since I have hooded eyelids, I want to have a thinner wing. After putting on my lashes, the lashes I'm using is the Double Up in Wispies. I'm putting some mascara to blend my real lashes and fake lashes together. From the outer to the inner corner of the lower lash line, you want to grab a pencil brush and the hot pink color, and don't be scared to blend it downwards. If you guys haven't realized, I already did my base off camera because the reason why I did that is to have the focus more on the eyes and the lips. And don't worry, I'll still put the things I use down in the description. The highlight color I use all over my face, I'm putting it on my inner corner of my eyelids and on my brow bone. You want to generously put some mascara on your lower lashes. The struggles of putting mascara on. You saw nothing. For lips, I didn't know what to use, so we have a choice of red, pink, and I would have used nude too, but I didn't have a nude lipstick. And I realized that I did not like the pink color. Unless you like a lot of pink, then go for it. But for me, it was a no-no, as you guys can tell.
Ugh. Pink.
Sorry, I was out of frame. It was so hard to do it with the mirror far, but at least you guys can see this part, right? After the lips, the look is complete. Bye!